Wheels up for a super summer! Roller skating with my friends is one of my most favorite summer activities. We wear our helmets and knee pads when we hit the open road. Five roller skating divas in a line. Five roller skating dudes skating here too. Look, cousin Kyrie is roller skating with balloons. How many does she have? Yes, it's three. 3 balloons. Oh, that cool cousin Kyrie. My other friends have balloons. How many do you see? Yes, 6 balloons. Woo! We've built up a thirst. So cousin Kyrie and I are bringing the water. How many bottled waters do you see? You're correct! 7! 7 bottled waters in recyclable bottles. What a fun day of roller skating! Happy summer, friends!